nag-book na nga si Mario ng ibang place na pag-stay namin. So, ayan, stress na stress to.
I'm not happy. Let's go. We go. Mario.
Mario,
Yeah,
Edwin,
Henry.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How's your ride, sir?
Very good. We'll fight later, I think.
Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, ano pang inaantay mo, huwag mo kalimutan mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga upload ko.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
So guys, nandito na kami sa pinag-stayan namin dito sa Pampanga, sa may Azure North or Azure. Ayun nga guys, nandito na kami. So stress na stress kami guys kasi yung toilet nila hindi nagpa-flush. Tapos ang daming leaking from the floor, ang daming mga tubig, ewan ko kung saan galing. Yung kinakabahala namin, since baka mamaya galing siya ng toilet. Tapos, gusto niya lumipat na lang ng ibang hotel kasi nagbasa kami ng review. Tapos, pagbasa namin ng review, ang baho daw. So, nabasa niya yun. So, gusto niya lumipat ng hotel kasi what if daw, kung galing daw yun sa toilet or something.
But if it's mold underneath because it's all wet, and then it's not healthy for us to breathe here and we will sleep here, I will not do that.
Kasi mag-stay kami dito guys ng 4 days. Tapos, imagine, kinokontak namin yung owner para ba makipag-communicate ba sila ng maayos sa amin. Pero, kanina, nakikipag-communicate sila ng maayos nung about sa parking yung concern namin. Tapos ngayon, nung nagre-reklamo na kami nung about sa leaking, yung leaking okay pa, we can understand about the leaking. It's okay, right, honey? But, you know, about the toilet, guys, for days kami mag-stay dito, ano, di kami magpupup, yung parang ganun. Siyempre, kailangan namin ngayon pa nga lang eh. Siyempre, galing kami Subic guys, parang 2 hours yung biniyahe namin. Syempre kailangan namin gumamit ng toilet. Tapos ngayon hindi namin siya magamit kasi nga hindi siya nafa-flush. Maano lang, dumadami lang yung tubig niya. So yun guys, stress na stress kami. So ayan, naghahanap na siya ng pag-i-stayan namin. So sayang lang yung booking namin. Pero sabi naman niya, ewan ko, mababalik pa naman daw yung ibang days. Galing ng, what's that, Ani? Agoda or Airbnb?
It's Airbnb.
O Airbnb. Mababalik pa naman daw yung ibang araw. Just today lang kasi since nakapag-check-in na kami, na-consume na yung binayad namin. So, hindi na siya mababalik ng Airbnb. So, yung mga ibang araw namin, pwede pa daw mabalik. So, ang gagawin namin, ngayong araw, babayaran namin. Tapos, yung sunod na araw, hindi na. So, mag-check out na kami dito kasi ayaw namin magstay. Alam nyo ba guys, grabe yung hassle namin para lang makaakyat dito kasi nasa 26th floor kami. Ang dami naming mga gamit. Syempre, galing pa kami ng Pangasinan, Sambales, Subic. Syempre, napakadami naming gamit, guys. Alam mo yun? Sobrang hassle. So, ang ano talaga namin is makapagpahinga kami ngayon dito. Kaso, ang nangyari, ayan, na-stress kami. Kasi malay mo, mamaya, after mawala yung in-spray nilang papabango, ngayon nga, unti-unti na siyang nangangamoy. So, ayun, nakaka-stress. Kasi, ang ano namin is makapag-relax. Actually, napakaganda ng unit. Maganda yung city view. Nakita nyo naman kanina, pinakita ko sa inyo, napakaganda ng room. Kaso, yung problem namin, kaya pala napakadaming basahan, guys. Ayan, no. Ayan, kaya pala napakadaming basahan dyan. Ayan, mga basahan. Kasi nga, yung floor nila nagli-leak. Yung pagpunta din namin sa toilet, ganun din. Ang daming water kahit na hindi pa namin ginagamit yung toilet. Ay, nakaka-disappoint lang.
Is this okay for you? No kitchen.
No, it's okay. I don't think we need kitchen, honey.
Huh?
I don't think we need
No.
kitchen. Yeah.
But we have a fridge, we have pool.
As long as a nice bed, I think it's okay.
It's a good
Because you
double
just stay there
bed
for,
with TV. There's out to the outside.
but I think the bed is small for us.
No, it's double bed. It's just looking small on the picture.
Ayun guys, stress kami. Ngayon sabi ko nga sa kanya, mag-book na lang siya ng ng dito lang din ba kasi ibang unit. Kaso ayaw na niya. Kasi what if daw same, pare-pareho lang daw, ayaw niya na magsayang ng pera. Kaya yun, sa iba nagtitingin na siya sa ibang lugar.
Good comments. It's clear, it's good, comfortable, clean. All good comments. In San Ferman, we are here, huh? Fernando. We just need to drive there. It's not far. It's up near the airport.
So yun, gusto niya talaga lumipat. So dito na siya guys, kasi paano daw pag hindi daw healthy para sa amin yun. So yun. Sobrang ganda pa naman dito kasi excited din ako para mamayang gabi kasi yung city view nga. Kasi nasa
You want to
pinaka-high
book it?
floor, nasa ka-high floor kami.
Should I book it?
You don't look for other places? Is that the thing you want now?
I already see other places.
And that's the best one.
It's cheap, not so much. Only 3,600.
3,000 pesos
3,600
per night?
for all nights. All 3 nights.
Ah, okay. So yun guys, nag-start na siya mga moy. Parang galing talaga siya sa toilet. So yun, nag-book na nga si Mario ng ibang place na pag-i-stayan namin. So ayan, stress na stress to. Tuwang-tuwa pa naman kami kanina kasi tingnan nyo naman guys, yung view namin, napakaganda, lalo na mamayang gabi dito. So alam nyo na tuwang-tuwa talaga ako kasi favorite ko yung city view. Pero guys, ani naman namin to guys. Ani naman namin yung ganitong kagandang unit guys. Kung yung amoy naman namin dito sa loob guys, amoy tae. Asin talaga, natatawa-tawa ko na lang, pero nakadisappoint talaga guys, as in, sobra.
I'm not happy. Let's go. We go.
So yun guys, alis na kami dito. Sorry talaga, pero kung yung paglilik lang, kung yung leak lang yung pag-uusapan, kaya pa eh. Kaso toilet, iwi. Sorry talaga. Ayan, guys na siya. Alis na talaga kami.
We go.
Magawa guys. Kasi nabandot talaga. Wala tayong choice. So, walis na tayo. Karga ulit ng gamit. And we go. So guys, ayun, nireklamo namin sila sa reception na oras na guys. Like imagine magpa-5 na, tapos hindi pa rin kami nakakapag-check-in. So nireklamo namin sila sa owner. And then tinatawagan din sila ng mismong admin, ng mismong reception, pero yung owner talagang hindi talaga sila nakokontak. Kahit yung cleaners, nakausap namin kanina, hindi talaga sila nakokontak guys. So ayun, punta na kami ng hotel na kakabook lang ni Mario. So grabe talaga yung hassle namin today. Pero it's okay kasi alam nyo yun, kinokontak na din nila yung owner and hoping na sana mabalik kahit man lang 50% nung aming pera sa pinagbukan. Kasi grabe talaga yung hassle namin. Imagine guys, kanina pa kami ditong 11 AM. Grabe talaga yung hassle namin. Ayan, bad trip na siya guys. Imagine what?
Like I told you, imagine you booked that and you don't have the money for book another one. You need to stay there. It's stinky. You don't even know if it's healthy for you. If you know if the floor already molded, and mold can really be dangerous to your lung.
And you don't have any choice just to
No.
stay because you don't have extra money to book another hotel for something.
Yes, a lot of people already stay. They already comment on this.
Yeah.
Gosh, okay. You remember for next time we already need to read the comment before we book.
Yun talaga yung lesson namin guys dito, na kapag magbo-book kami is lagi talaga namin tingnan dapat yung mga review. Actually nagtitingin honey,
Normally we do.
actually we check last time, but it's during October pa since you book our hotel. But right
Yes.
now of course there's a November, December, and then right now it's January. So maybe nagkaroon ng problem around December kasi nabasa namin yung mga problem about December ata or November, ganon. May problem siyang ganon. Actually, lagi kami nag-check ng mga feedback. Pero nga lang, nakita namin, since nagbasa na nga kami kanina, so nakita namin parang around November may problem na siya. So, yun. Eh, grabe talagang hassle. Ayun, magbibiyahe kami ngayon ng 30 or 40 minutes going sa aming pag-stayan. Ito ay villa na siya. Hindi na siya parang ganito na staycation na ano.
Take the next right, then make a U-turn.
So ngayong araw guys, ang gagawin natin ay very extreme sport. Dito ngayon sa Pampanga, at ang gagawin natin ay ATV. 1 hour yung ibabiyahe natin gamit yung ATV. And then, i-rent natin sila. Pero hindi ako magdadrive kasi na-try ko na yung ATV last time at nahirapan akong i-drive yun at sa dagat yun. Dito very extreme. Talagang dadaan talaga kayo ng mga putik, ng bundok, ng may water, tapos rough road siya guys. So ayokong mahirapan at makaantayin lang ako. May kasama na siyang tour guide yung i-avail namin. So si Mario yung magdadrive, back ride lang ako guys. So para makapag-film din kami at may pakita namin sa inyo yung aming activities for today. It's kind of very extreme. Ito na ata yung aming pinaka-extreme. At ito yung aming last na gagawin dito sa Pampanga. So, nandito kami sa Green Asia ATV. Papakita ko sa inyo, ganito siya. siguro guys, dito kami mag-start mamaya at ganito yung itsura ng dadaanan namin ng ATV. Ayan, as in bundok-bundok na din. Ayan, puro na siya mga bundok. At dadaanan namin yung mga water. Lake siguro yan siya. At nandito na kami, kakarating lang namin. From our resort, nagbiyahe lang kami ng 20 minutes. And ayan, nandito na kami. At yan yung mga ATV na yan, yan yung ating air rent. So ayan, we're here in 4x4. Ayun, 25 kilometers siya guys. So kahapon dito na kami galing. Nag-inquire na kami kahapon at nagpa-reserve. Kasi ang plano talaga namin is pumunta ng Puning, yung hot spring. Kaso, ang hirap magpa-book guys. So, ayan. Dito namin ito guys since ito naman talaga yung habol niya sa Puning. So, ayan. Let's go! Hi, Ma'am Hannah! Hello! Let's go! Sir, you have a goggles at your forehead. You want to change? Can I put it down here?
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Pacing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. 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 When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it. Many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Pacing on a sleepless night. Will you find me?
Talaga.
Hope you find me.
First time I tried this.
Back na lang.
Wow.
When the sun rises, when the sun we're trying to catch me howling at the moon.
Yeah.
Edwin.
Henry.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
All right, thank you.
It was so slow.
Maganda sana yun kanina, oh. It's better that my friend Mario just
Yeah,
ATV and then the ATV all like that. Oh, okay. Until here. Until here.
yeah, but not really. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Woohoo! Only these brakes are not working.
How's your ride, sir?
Very good. We'll fight later, I think. No, okay, I'm just dirty. Yeah, just my hands. I will take shower later. It's okay. How was my drive, huh?
Guys, kakabalik lang namin ng sasakyan. Pauwi na kami ngayon sa aming resort na pinag-i-stayan ni Mario. So, ayan. Napakadumi namin, guys. Kung makikita nyo, ayan. Napakadami naming dumi. So, grabe. Ang ganda. At saka nakakatakot siya kapag, alam nyo yun, kapag umulan talaga, hindi ko talaga siya ma-advise na mag-ATV kayo kasi delikado siya kapag maulan. Pero pag ganito naman, maganda yung weather since nag-check din naman kami ng weather kanina. So, very safe naman siyang gawin. So, ayun, may tour guide din kayo. Actually guys, nakaka-enjoy siya. Nakapunta kami sa pinaka top ng mountain nila doon. Tapos, puro na mga aita. Tapos, yung water hot. Mainit na din yung water. Hot spring siya kung tawagin. Malapit siya sa Puning, which is dapat yun yung pupuntahan namin kasi hindi kami natuloy. So, ayan, honey, how was your experience?
The best.
Really?
Yes, I will drive ATV all day.
Yeah. Look, napakadami naming dumi guys dahil sa water, yung dust, yung buhangin.
150 meters.
So yun, basta sobrang saya as in enjoy. May kita nyo na lang sa vlog. Pakita ko sa inyo. Okay guys, yun lang yung ating vlog ngayong araw. So thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you soon. See you on my next vlog. Bye! Bye!
Bye!
Bye!